Hey everyone, thanks for joining me tonight, or today. It's nighttime for me, 10:30. So tonight, this is another pour I'm doing tonight. I have you guys on a sideways angle because this is a bigger canvas and it doesn't fit at the end of my table where it's gonna show you guys the whole canvas. So this is a 12 by 16 inch, and I'm seriously just experimenting on this one. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I wanted to try just like a multitude of colors in a Dutch pour. So I figured, I have all these big canvases laying around and I don't use them because I'm always doing 8 by 8s, 10 by 10s, or 12 by 12s. So I want to try and get better at doing bigger canvases. So that's why I'm using this as a test piece, because if it works out and I like the way it looks, I'm going to do a really big one. So these are the colors I'm going to use. You can't really see them all, but there's a bunch of colors. Now, I don't know what it's going to turn out to look like. But I've done this before where I've just used random leftover colors and it seems to turn out good. So maybe I'll have some luck with this one. Who knows? So I am going to just go for it and see what happens. So if it doesn't turn out, then I will scrape it and try again. So I guess you never learn. Right? You gotta make mistakes to learn, so we'll see. Maybe this will turn out, maybe it won't. So that's definitely not enough white, so I'm gonna add some more from my already pre-mixed batch here. Let's see here. Let's start with that for now. So if you are new watching, my white is just Floetrol mixed with Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White. Nothing else. There's no water, no silicone in the white. So, and I make it to a thin, I could make it thinner, but to a thin consistency, fluid consistency. If you are interested in learning how I mix my paints in these squeeze bottles here and what my ratios are, feel free to check out video number 63. I have a video where I tell you guys how I mix those and put them in the squeeze bottles. So check that video out. So let me just get my edges here. Make sure they're all covered. Oop, not covered. All right, that's covered. All right. Okay, almost there. And one last side. So the good thing about these squeeze bottles is that if I ever just want to paint real quick, I can come down here to the basement and all my colors are already mixed. I've got about, what do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, about 17 colors. So there's always something I can choose from and it just makes it easier. All right, I'm gonna pop all these bubbles. Lots of bubbles. I just mixed the white, so there's a lot of bubbles in it. Ideally, it'd be best to like mix your paints and then wait a few hours, but who the heck has time for that? At least not me. Not with 2 little kids and a puppy. Not happening. All right, so I'm gonna start. I think I put them in this order, so I will do it in that order. So I have Brilliant. Woo, blowing a bubble. Look, a snot bubble. This is Brilliant Blue by Liquitex Basics. So I think I'm just gonna do some puddles right here in a diagonal and we'll see what happens. So we'll go like this. I really, guys, honestly, experimenting here. Like, seriously experimenting here. So if it doesn't turn out, then it's not going to turn out. But we'll see. Some green. Because this is going to be a lot of paint. And I want to make sure I put the same cap back on the same bottle, because I think it was copper on the blue, and then when I went to squeeze out the blue, copper came out of it, so I was like, no. So I need to try and keep the same lids on the same bottles. All right, there's the purple. Oh, sorry. So the green was Cadmium Green by Pebeo Studio Acrylics. And then we have Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. And now I have Orange by Artist Loft. So maybe I'll just do that. Ooh, that's a lot. And that. All right. And then I have Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft, one of my favorite colors. Go like that, and like that. Oh look, turquoise and orange. It's the Miami Dolphins colors. My husband's favorite football team. All right, Copper by Artist Loft. Okay. And then we have Ultramarine Blue by Liquitex Basics. This is going to be so interesting. I don't even know what's going to happen with this. And then we have this really bright yellow, Cadmium Yellow Light Hue by Liquitex Basics. This should be interesting. Okay. And then I have Phthalo Green by Americana. And that lid is here. Okay, two more. And then I have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo Studio Acrylics. Actually, you know, I'm going to put that last. I'm going to do the Light Magenta by Artist Loft. Oh my God. This could be like such a disaster. This could be a disaster. I have no idea. And like I said, Iridescent Blue Green by Studio Acrylics. That looks like a hot mess. Seriously. Hot mess. All right. We will see what happens. So, let's see. Maybe I'll just use this. So, I'm going to... It kind of looks cool, but I don't know what's going to happen when I blow it. So, we'll see. So, I will... Oh, there's a hair. Don't want that in the painting. All right, so let's add our layer of white around, like so. And then, instead of blowing it, because I think if I blow it with the hairdryer, it's just gonna really mix up the colors and make a big mess. So I'm gonna take a popsicle stick and just cover it like so. I think that is a safer bet. That's perfect. Yeah, so that might be a better idea. Problem is, it's so hard to... It's such a big canvas, it's hard to swipe it over without... Oh yeah. Maybe I need a small one. Let me try a small one. Oh wait, my spatula. I should use my spatula. Yeah, that works. harder than it looks. All right. And the final color, which I don't want to mix. There we go. Clean that off. Go over that way. And that way. Okay. Ah! Shoot. All right. No worries. I can fix that. Look, psh, gone. You see that? All right. Let's add some white there since I scraped it off. All right. Let's torch this. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow this way from the center and then this way down and see what happens. So, what a mess. My table is such a mess. I've done like 2 other pours prior to this. So I've got stuff everywhere. Okay. Wish me luck. Let's see what happens. You see what I did? I'm so irritated that I did that because I was going backwards and I couldn't see what I was doing, and the hairdryer hit the canvas and that drives me nuts. All right, I need to blow a little bit more this way, I think. Well, it's very colorful. I actually like it. So this is really cool down here. This makes me mad. But I don't want to blow it, so I'm going to leave it. But I am going to blow out here because I want to cover a little bit of this negative space here. If I can. That looks cool. Now I gotta do it on this side to match. Matchy matchy. Alright, actually, you know what? Let me put the lid on this before I spill a huge tub of white paint everywhere. And then I'm gonna be really upset. Okay, so now let me... Yeah, I'm gonna turn it. This is actually really nice. I'm really liking the colors on this, actually. I need new paper towel. All right. Now, let's blow that way. Cool. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow off the edges. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Without getting anything in the painting. I like how it's dripping off the side. Okay, and now this side. There, I actually like that better. That is actually super cool. Except for this. Oh my god, I don't want to blow it. Let me torch it first. Let's torch it first and see what happens. look at the pink coming out. That's crazy. It's amazing all the hidden colors under there. I can't even believe it. Wow. Okay, I'm really liking that actually. It's like, can you even see? Kind of. I'll bring you in for a close-up, but this is actually really cool. I'm really liking it. I do. Let me let me bring you guys in for a close-up. And then you can see for yourself, hopefully. Let's see. Okay. Can you see the rainbow colors, or is it still not close enough? How about there? I think it looks pretty cool considering I mix like, what, 10 different colors in there? See, I'm really liking this right here. Let me see. That's pretty cool. Okay, well, that's as close as I can get without, God knows, doing something and knocking something over. Now let's put this back. All right, perfect. Oh my God. This always freaks me out when I do that because, oh my gosh. All right, stay. Perfect for now. A little bit? Okay. So there, there it is. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Aside from that little squabble in there. I don't want to blow it. I'm afraid to blow it. I don't want to ruin what's going on around it. So I'm just going to leave it. Just don't touch it. And then I think all my edges are covered nicely, I believe. Yep, looks like it. So there it is. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 colors. 11 colors in this one. And I thought, you know, it might turn into mud, but it's actually super pretty. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, guys. And give it, here, let me see if I can, there we go. Isn't that so much better? There we go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And that way you are notified every time I post new videos or go live. And don't forget to check out my links below in the description, Facebook, Instagram. I now have an Amazon store. So for those of you who are wondering where I buy my torch, my, you know, hair dryer, my heat gun, my spatula, you know, the squeeze bottles, everything I buy on Amazon is listed in the Amazon shop below. So check that out. And of course, the PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate. Please feel free. I really appreciate it. It helps me buy more paints, more canvas, Floetrol, all that fun stuff so that I can continue doing this fun stuff for you guys. So thanks for watching. Much love, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.